Listen, do you know the person you are becoming is being shaped by the things you do every day? Every lesson you learn, every challenge you overcome, and every time you choose peace over chaos. Those little things are building you ahead. So never underestimate small progress. You are growing. Yes, you are growing. And one day you will look back and realize every small step will lead you to somewhere greater. So never stop learning. Keep showing up and keep trusting God. Growth is happening, even though you don't see it now. It's like that.